If your maintenance team spends most of its time reacting to breakdowns and juggling last-minute repairs, you're not alone. Many organizations start in this reactive cycle, but there's a better way. The concept of maintenance maturity helps you assess where you are and move towards a more efficient, proactive strategy. You don't need to change everything at once. Just start with a few simple steps. Step 1. Know your starting point. Maintenance maturity measures how developed your practices are across 6 stages. Level 1, reactive, fix after failure. Level 2, preventative, scheduled checks. Level 3, advanced preventative, centralized oversight, ERP integration. Level 4, expert, paperless, automated workflows. Level 5, condition-based, triggered by real-time data. Level 6, predictive, analytics forecast failures. The goal, move from reactive to predictive, reducing downtime and costs. Step 2, build your asset register. Capture accurate details, equipment type, location, history, manuals. A CMMS like Shire System makes this easy and sets the foundation for better planning. Step 3, shift to planned maintenance, scheduled tasks before issues arise. Planned maintenance improves safety, compliance, and asset life. Shire System automates schedules, assignments, and tracking. Step 4, track and learn. Monitor breakdown frequency, repair times, and costs. Shire System turns this data into dashboards for smarter decisions. Step 5, involve your team, share goals, encourage feedback, and keep everyone engaged. Shire System supports collaboration with mobile access for logging jobs and uploading photos on site. Start your journey today. Every step forward reduces risk and improves performance. Whether you're starting out or refining processes, Shire System CMMS offers flexible, easy-to-use tools for real-world maintenance teams. Ready to take the next step? Visit alecasoft.com to learn more or book a demo today.